Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about probably the most hyped or at least the most popular and expected IPO in the market. This is Robinhood IPO. I do have to say that we don't know much yet about the company, but I think that we have to talk about the possibility of investing in it pre-IPO, then their expected valuation, their company, and many more. If you're new to my channel, which I know almost 65% of you watching this video are, please consider subscribing and smashing that like button since it really helps the channel out with the almighty algorithm. Also, I have a completely free Discord group chat in which we talk about stocks, tax benefits, memes, credit card, crypto, penny stocks, and many more important things. If you would like to join, the link for that is down in the description below. So yes, Robinhood finally files confidential paperwork to go public. We all know that lately Robinhood have been getting flagged and have been getting a lot of hate because of the GameStop and AMC situation, and I understand the battle between us, retail investors, Reddit, versus institutions. But we also have to take into consideration that at the end of the day, Robinhood was the one that have democratized finance in a super easy way by giving us retail investors the possibility to trade and invest in stocks for free. Has also offered margin, options trading, and crypto trading. We also know that the app is very well made, easy to use for beginners, and we can't deny that. Now, Robinhood was valued at almost $12 billion in September 2020 in its private fundraising round, but apparently its valuation has skyrocketed since then. Shares of Robinhood jumped 50% in January despite the GameStop controversy as investors scrambled to get a piece of the brokerage before a much anticipated IPO this year. The fintech's valuation is another sign that investors think the trading app is bulletproof to everything. Now, look at this. The latest bids in the secondary market for Robinhood shares equate to a valuation of around $40 billion, which if you see this graph, you can see that their shares in the secondary market has been skyrocketing from $10 per share in March 2020 to $60 per share in January 2021. Now, we know that the GME situation created a temporary wave of people leaving the platform, but also many new investors created accounts on Robinhood during that time. I know that they were offering for free stock at the moment as well, but there are a lot of people that do not invest in GameStop, and we all know that moments like this also attract people. As the saying goes, no press is bad press, or there is no such thing as bad publicity for any company, as what that makes is that more and more people hear about you, your platform, and your application, which in this case also brought people that wanted to open an account with Robinhood, and according to analytics, it was higher the amount of people looking to open an account than close the account. As you can see in this graph, the red line is people that have researched how to cash out from Robinhood, while the blue line is people researching how to open an account in Robinhood. As you can see, even though both increased between January and February when everything happened, people opening accounts were higher than cashing out. Obviously, all that was free press for Robinhood, because if we take a look back, when everything started, we know that many platforms did the same and halted trading in these stocks, such as GameStop, but the boom or the news were all talking about Robinhood, even though Webull, Fidelity, and many others did the same. It might be because they were the disruptors in the industry with their platform and their free trading, and people have been looking to damage their image, but the point is that many other brokerages did the same. Did Robinhood benefit from this? Most likely they did. They might have lost many customers but gained many as well. And if we compare it with other apps, we can see that Robinhood has always been the most researched app, even during the GME drama. The question is, how can we value this company? But first, in case you haven't done this already and you are not on Robinhood, I have a little link in the description below. You click that and you can get free stock, and I get another free stock as well, free money, so we both win. And then you can use the app to invest as I do. So as I was saying, it is really difficult to value this company since we know nothing about this company. We know that during 2020 their customers grew massively as many retail investors started opening accounts to start investing or trading. We know that latest bids in the secondary market has given Robinhood a valuation of about $40 billion, but I have already read about almost $60 billion as well, and we all know that when they go public, this valuation will most likely skyrocket, and even more if their numbers are impressive when they come out, because as of right now, we know nothing about the company. We know everything about their app, what they offer, what they do and don't do, but we don't know how much money they make. We don't know their year-over-year revenue growth nor customer count. Nothing. We know nothing. We are mainly speculating here. Now, a very important question is, how are they valuing Robinhood at $60 billion when they had to stop trading on some small budget stocks because of liquidity and had to borrow $3 billion for extra liquidity? Well, we will only be able to know that when they show their numbers. Some market structure experts said that that event raised questions about whether Robinhood had set aside enough capital. Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade said that they didn't have to halt trading in any stock despite volatility. What they really had was just the biggest free media advertising that they could have ever hoped for. That is what we were talking about before. No press is bad press. Now, something very interesting is that Robinhood aims to allow users to buy into IPO sources. Robinhood Marketing is building a platform to democratize initial public offering. As democratizing finance was not enough, now they are going for democratizing IPOs, including its own. That would allow users of its trading app to snap up shares alongside Wall Street funds, which obviously it would be incredible for us retail investors, as normally big funds and institutions are the ones that get the allocations in the IPO and have advantage in which they buy pre-IPO, and then the stock starts trading publicly and it gets hyped and skyrocket. They double their money way faster than retail investors, and obviously providing us access to pre-IPO could help Robinhood boost their users count, as they would like to use this feature as well. During quarter 3, quarter 4 of 2020 and the beginning of 2021, we have seen many good IPOs and bad IPOs as well. We have seen incredible SPAC mergers, but we have also seen super duper hyped IPOs that some have ended very well, while others have ended badly as the hype died within the first days and a lot of people have lost a lot of money. If you ask me, I think the Robinhood IPO will be very hyped, as it has been expected for so long now. We all know that Robinhood have nailed options trading. With their simplest platform, they have provided us the cheapest way to invest in crypto. Obviously, the problem with investing in crypto in Robinhood is that there is no crypto wallet and you don't own your coins, but it is definitely the easiest and cheapest way to invest in crypto. Also was the first platform to provide investing for free, which has disrupted the industry and have basically forced other platforms to switch for free trading as well. I do have to say that even though I find this company as a very innovative one, I do think it is important for me to first see their numbers, their growth, why they needed to borrow money for liquidity issues, their customers count, and all the important information we should research before investing in any company. We still do not have a date for the IPO, but it is an IPO I will be following. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like a video analyzing their financials and fundamentals once they drop their S1 filing, where we can see their income, their balance sheet, and everything. Let me know in the comment section below. For many that have asked in other videos, I do continue using Robinhood for my main account. I do have accounts in other brokerages, but Robinhood is my main one right now, as I started with them in 2017 and have loved the simplicity of the app since then. I have nothing to complain about right now, as I don't day trade options anymore and don't have any kind of problem with the app. Thank you for watching the video. Please smash that like button and subscribe, since it really helps the channel out with the algorithm. Thank you and see you next time.